Well, since the financial situation of the world that we live in, we're getting the old dual sport bikes rolling. Hopefully people texting and crazy drunk drivers don't slam into us, but you know, we'll be good.
I hope so. Let's pull it out.
This is really professional grade stuff. I feel like we're filming the Blair Witch Project part 2 here. We're gonna push it through the snow?
I gotta move my truck.
Why? No, let me push it. I've been in Mexico, I need this.
Okay.
Over the snow hill. Oh, he's gonna go around it.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh.
Little...
Yeah. There we go.
Holy speed, yo. 24,000 K on this one.
Oh, what? The Honda XL, introduced in 1972 and running throughout most of the 80s, as a 4-stroke competing with a lot of 2-strokes, Honda had to rely on technology to keep up with those 2-stroke competitors. Honda achieved this with 4-valve technology to maximize horsepower numbers. This, paired with the revolutionary ProLink single-shock rear suspension introduced in 1982, put Hondas right up there with their 2-stroke counterparts, some would argue ahead. Low-end torque and lower vibrations meant that long rides were less tiring. They eventually dropped the XL name in 1987 in favor of the XRL models, but changing the name didn't mean the XL is gone. The bike remained the same basic foundation and continues to do so in the current Honda Dual Sports, only improving what is needed. No sudden redesigns makes this 40-year-old bike and its younger brothers very alike. Alright, so this bike is perfect in every way, but see these stops right here? That is supposed to hit a piece that is supposed to be there. Stop the handlebars from turning. That piece is broken off. Pretty substantial wipeout that would have caused that. Oh my goodness, what have I done? Woo! That's a lot of work. Let's see here. Gloss. Says it works on barbecues and fireplaces and wood stoves, so it should work just great for a Honda motor. Oh, let's see here. Oh, that's pretty good. Ooh, I am digging that. Honda red. In fact, I like paint plus primer. It just goes on so much better. Oh, that is so damn close. We're gonna go with the Rust-Oleum. There is so much more here to show than what I'm actually going to show you, because trying to paint prep a frame for a motorcycle or a bicycle or anything with a tubular frame like this, my goodness, way too much to show. It's a lot of work. So after a lot of sanding and a lot of prepping, we're ready to try painting this thing. I know it doesn't look perfect. Apparently you can paint lawn chairs that are old. So let's see if we can paint an old Honda. Time to engage full-on spray bomb rebuild. It doesn't get any better than that, folks. Oh my god, look, it's like it's right off the showroom floor. It's like the piston rings are just resealing themselves, and all the oil seals and the rod bearings and everything are just slowly getting better and better with every swoop. The clutch just got rebuilt, brand new clutch, new timing chain, new camshafts. Oh man, I wish I could paint the carburetor. An easy way to rebuild that. New Kickstarter gears in there, brand new Honda motor.
Rust-Oleum,
oh man, that's a brand new bike in a can there.
I know what I mean.
So this bike ended up blowing up, so we're gonna salvage some parts off of it. We're gonna take this nice new tire, but 350 has a way smaller sprocket on it. So we can swap the sprockets and get this nice new tire. Good.
Putting a different tank on here.
Just making sure we're not going to hit the tank here. The seat's slipping in there. So now we got an 85 tank on an 83. Man, that is a monstrosity. There she comes up. Sort of no-name all-purpose cleaner here, and that seems to do the trick. Alright, so the name of the game here is saving money. I'm not going to disassemble this shock. Alright, so it's far from perfect, but it's pretty good.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Spray painted myself. Nasty.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me.
Now, to be completely honest, I am totally against sanding and painting plastic. It's just not the right thing to do. Order new ones or try to refurbish them the best you can. These ones, unfortunately, they were just a little bit too far gone, so I'm gonna paint them for now, but probably gonna end up replacing them for now. So this stuff, Brilla, I guess, I got from the dollar store. Seems to be working a charm. So just gonna use this Scotch-Brite. I'll clean that, gets that. That's some pretty nasty grime there, and it's just coming right off. This stuff is basically the Franks of silicone. I put that on everything.
To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Well, that don't fit. Where's the old one? Oh, no. Modifications needed. All right, so we're gonna put the the silencer on off of the 350 over there, the one that blew up. Put a little extension piece on here to expand the pipe size. The diameter was a little bit different, but we got that. Nice fit, so that slides on there now. Come on, there we go. And another thing I had to do is actually had to cut the mount off because the mount was in a different spot. So I have the mount sort of bolted onto there. Now I'm just going to tack weld that on there. And then we'll pull it off and finish the weld, making a nice weld. VHT makes this wonderful product called Flame Proof, all the way up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Use it on headers. Anytime you're doing any exhaust work, if you want to paint it, use this, only this. And it's fast drying too, which is also really nice.
Mike Lankfried welding a gas tank. I'm gonna stand back over here. Just kidding, I'm brave. I'm not zooming way in. I'm not a million feet away.
We did let it sit for like a week.
Fine.
I don't really...
It's fine. It'll be fine, dude.
I don't want to blow a hole in it. Oh my god. I guess I should have pressure checked it first. Let's just spray it right on there. Dang it. Try again.